strength, protection, versatility, and dependability. For over 40 years, Lord Corporation has been providing quality adhesives that make the difference in markets as diverse as automotive, industrial, aerospace, recreational, and commercial. Say goodbye to corrosion, metal fatigue, loose fasteners, and weak assembly joints. Lord Corporation introduces Lord adhesives for sign bonding, specially designed to meet the tough demands of the sign industry. Plastics, aluminum, steel, wood, ceramic, and foams. Materials found on signs today, and materials which can be assembled with Lord adhesives. Building on our 40 years of bonding experience, Lord has done it again. A revolutionary new way to bond aluminum sign frames. Easier, faster, and yes, stronger than mechanical methods, and even stronger than previous bonding methods. To demonstrate this procedure, Lord set out to Howard Industries in Erie, Pennsylvania, to bond both a painted and unpainted aluminum sign frame.
Howard Industries is a national wholesale manufacturer of architectural post and panel signage systems. We have been in business for 25 years and currently provide full metal fabrication capabilities for production of standard sign systems as well as any custom structural application. For the past 5 or 6 years, we've been using Lord adhesives aggressively in place of traditional fastening methods such as welding, screws, or other fastening devices, and they've worked great for us. Lord adhesives has enabled us to make sign systems much more efficiently with respect to both production time and cost. Howard Industries has experienced tremendous growth over the past 10 years, and Lord adhesives have worked for us.
Begin the assembly of the unpainted aluminum sign frame by preparing the corner keys. A common method of bonding corner keys involves buttering the key surface with adhesive and sliding the key into the frame channel. However, this method does not cover the bond surface uniformly. A new bonding method for corner keys developed by Lord Corporation involves an injection technique which uniformly covers the bond surface. Here's how it works. Start by drilling an 1/8 inch or 7/32 inch injection port into the center of each corner key. Drill bit size will depend upon the dispensing tip diameter of the adhesive cartridge being used. Use either an 1/8 inch drill bit for a small dispensing tip or a 7/32 inch drill bit for a large tip. Proper drill bit size ensures a tight fit for the mixing tip when applying the adhesive. Next, deburr the injection ports by lightly drilling the edges of each port with a bigger drill bit. Then deburr the edges of the corner keys and frame pieces with sandpaper, a scuff pad, or a file. Once all pieces are deburred, wipe the bond surface of each part with an isopropyl alcohol dampened rag to remove any waxes, dirt, fingerprints, and oils which may result in poor adhesion. Pre-assemble the sign case and brace all 4 sides to prevent any shifting. Keep these weights in place throughout the entire procedure. For this assembly, we will be using Lord 406-19 adhesive. Prior to application, we recommend properly preparing the adhesive. Begin by purging a small amount from the cartridge to level the plungers. This verifies that both portions of the adhesive are dispensing equally. Attach a mixing tip and dispense a 1 to 2 inch length of adhesive. This ensures proper mix of the adhesive. Place the mixing tip into the drilled injection port and force Lord 406-19 adhesive between the corner key and the sign frame. Do this until the adhesive runs out from under the key. Inject the adhesive into all the remaining key ports. Wipe off excess adhesive on the outside and inside corners and allow the undisturbed assembly to develop handling strength for 15 to 30 minutes. Should the assembly require retainers, wipe the bond surface of each part with an isopropyl alcohol dampened rag. Apply a bead of Lord 40619 to 3 sides of the sign frame where the retainers will be attached. Position the retainers in place and wipe off excess adhesive. Allow the undisturbed retainers and assembly to develop handling strength for 15 to 30 minutes. Once the adhesive has cured, additional bonding and adhesive assembly is possible. Refer to your selector guide or local distributor when choosing Lord adhesives for your application. When assembling a painted aluminum frame, it is important to sand or scuff through all painted surfaces prior to applying Lord 40619 adhesive. How do we know Lord adhesives are tough enough for aluminum sign frames? Well, we tested them in our laboratories.
We tested an unpainted aluminum sign frame assembly for adhesive bond strength. On the first test, the adhesive outperformed the bolts that held the fixture in place. After building a heavier fixture, we tested the assembly again. This time, Lord 40619 adhesive proved stronger than the aluminum itself, still doing its job at 16,000 pounds or 8 tons of pull strength.
I have demonstrated the Lord 40619 adhesive for aluminum sign frames in my installation workshops that I teach across the country at the major sign shows, and I've had great success with it. I use this adhesive in my daily production of aluminum sign cabinets, and I must say, Lord adhesives help build strong and durable signs.
Lord adhesives are available in a variety of easy-to-use cartridges to assist your application needs. For more information regarding Lord adhesives, contact your local distributor or call Lord Corporation at 1-800-458-0434, extension 3277. Information on Lord products can also be accessed on the World Wide Web at www.lordadhesives.com.